Hi, I'm Matt Burns, Technical Marketing Manager at Samtec. Today we're coming to you from the floor of the AI Hardware Summit at the Computer History Museum in beautiful Mountain View, California. Today we're going to demonstrate some of Samtec's latest Twin-Ax Flyover cable assemblies, which extend signal reach and density within a system, enabling 112 gigabit per second PAM4 performance in the latest AI system hardware architectures. Let's begin as we walk through the signal path, and then we'll review the overall performance of the demonstration. The entire demonstration is driven by a Xilinx Versal Premium GTM transceiver, which allows vendors to position their network systems for 800 gigabit per second performance and beyond. The Xilinx GTM transceiver generates 2 lanes of 31-bit PRBS data at 112 gigabit per second PAM4 data rates. Signals travel from the Xilinx ACAP through roughly 2 inches of trace on the Isola iTerra MT40 test board, which also contains Samtec's Bullseye high-performance test system, specifically the 70 GHz BE70A series. The signal travels from the BE70A through several inches of low-loss microwave cable and is terminated to Samtec's Precision 1.85mm compression mount jacks, which are mounted to the Samtec SI evaluation board. The signal then travels through another 2 inches of PCB trace to the solder ball termination of the Samtec NovaRay high-density PCB level connector. A NovaRay cable assembly mates with the board level connector and carries the signal through 6 inches of 34 AWG high-speed ultra-low skew Twin-Ax cable to the panel mount interface. The fully shielded NovaRay I/O cable assembly plugs into the panel and moves the signal through 1.5 meters of 28 AWG high-speed ultra-low skew Twin-Ax cable. The signal returns back through a second panel to another NovaRay cable assembly and back to a second SI evaluation board. The data then travels through roughly 2 inches of PCB trace to another 1.85mm precision RF connector, through several inches of low-loss microwave cable to the Bullseye BE70A, and then finally returning back to the Xilinx Versal Premium ACAP. Now that we've seen the demo setup, let's see how it performs. Xilinx Vivado software has all the performance results. As for the overall system performance, the slicer eye patterns are wide open. We also have a prefect BER of 1e to the -7th. We also see post-FEC, we see 0 errors throughout the entire system. Just to repeat that, our demonstration shows a prefect BER of 1e to the -7th over an entire signal chain which exceeds 40 dBs of loss. Over that entire signal chain, the total loss of the Samtec cable connector assemblies is less than 32 dB. Samtec Flyover solutions allow designers to extend the signal reach and density by routing signals via ultra-low skew Twin-Ax cable instead of lossy PCBs. We hope you enjoyed the latest demonstration of 112 gigabit per second system performance from Samtec and Xilinx for AI system architectures. For more information, please email Samtec's technical experts at sig@samtec.com. My name's Matt Burns. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.